Rushmore International School. I am Abhilasha Srivastava. We hope that you and your family are taking necessary precaution towards health, hygiene and maintaining social distance, and as well as suggesting others to follow the same. We hope for your well-being. Today we are going to start with English grammar. In English grammar we are going to take the topic articles. What are articles? Let's see what are articles. A, and, the. These are three articles, namely A, and the, not the. What is an article? An article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify a noun. That means it gives a meaning or beautifies a noun. Like an apple. Apple, an apple. It modifies, it gives more meaning to an apple. Moving ahead. There are two types of articles. Indefinite article. Second is definite article. Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an. Definite article, the. Definite article is the. Let's see what is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a or an. It refers to a non-specific noun. That means which is not specific, which is not very sure. Example, the children are singing a song. Over here, the children, some children are there. What they are doing? They are singing. Singing what? A song. Over here, we are using the article a before the noun song. From this sentence, we can easily understand there are some children and they are what they are doing? They are singing. They are singing what? A song. But it is not specific what song. Is it rock song? Is it a classical song? Is it Hindi song? It is English song? Whichever song, we are not specific. It is not specified. We are not sure about it. But it is a song. Let's see the next example. The artist is drawing a picture. There is an artist. Our artist is there. And what he is doing? He is drawing. Drawing what? A picture. What kind of picture? Not sure. It could be a flower, it could be a landscape, it could be a portrait, it could be a cartoon. But we are here, it is not specific. Not specific type of picture. Any picture. That means it is indefinite. Moving ahead. When to use a or the letter A, which is pronounced as a, before the beginning of a consonant. There are two types of alphabet, vowels and consonant. It is used before vowel. Any noun which has the starting letter which is starting with a consonant, we are going to use the article a. For example, a cat, a pencil, a bag, a game. In these nouns, all the first alphabet in every word is a consonant. Let's see the next point. when U makes the sound as Y in U, like uniform, though it is a vowel like A, E, I, O, U, but over here it is making the sound of U, right? It is not making the sound of A. Therefore, we are using the article A over here, or A. A used plate, not an used paste. A used paste, because you make the sound as Y in U. Understood? Again, I am repeating that or explaining it one more time. Here, though it is a vowel, but it is making the sound of U, not A. Like in umbrella, the word umbrella, the article will be used an, not a, because it is starting with a, first of all it is starting with a vowel and it is making the sound of a. Next, O makes the same sound as W in one. A one-eyed monster. Here O, which is making a sound as, O is here again a vowel, but it is making a sound of W, like in one. Let's see, one-eyed monster, not an one-eyed monster, a one-eyed monster, because over here O is making the sound as W in one or verb. Moving ahead. Now, when to use an? In the previous slide, we had the conversation about, we discussed about a. Now we are going to discuss about an. First point, before all the words that begins with the vowel A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in the alphabet. For example, an egg, an ant, an orange, an ice cream, an umbrella, which we discussed earlier, an apple. Now, next point. Before the silent H, there are many words where H is there, but it is silent. Let's see. An honest man. Over here, though it is not a vowel, but it is silent. And silent, so that therefore the sound is honest. O. So we are using the article an. Next, an honorable person. Again, same situation. H is silent. The sound is honorable. O. Therefore, we are using the article an. Moving ahead. Now we are going to start with the definite article the. 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 It refers to specific or particular noun. That means it will refer, that means it will address to a particular, not in general, a particular specific thing. Like, let's see some examples. I enjoyed participating in the volleyball competition. Let's see what it says. I enjoyed participating. There are multiple games, and in games you participate, you take part. Taking part in any competition, any examination, any game is known as participation or participating. I enjoyed participating. What? A competition. Specifically, which competition? Volleyball competition. It refers to a specific competition played. That is competition of volleyball sport. Next, I enjoyed watching the puppet show. I enjoy what? Watching what? A show of puppets, specifically puppets. A show could be a play or a drama or a song or a musical, but here the subject is specifically the I, that is me, is specifically saying about puppet show. Let's see. It refers to specific shows watched. A specific show which we are watching, that is of puppets. You know what is puppet? Small toys, this much small toy attached to a string. Puppeteer dances them, uses his fingers to make those toys dance. Those are known as puppets. Moving ahead. When to use the article the? When should we use the? Names of rivers, oceans, seas. When should we use the article the? Before the name of the rivers, oceans or seas. For example, the Red Sea, the Arabic Sea, the Indian Ocean. It is ocean, not ocean. Ocean. The pronunciation of this word is ocean. Now, next point. Points on globe, countries, state, cities, islands, continents. For example, the equator. Equator is a line which passes in the middle of the globe. It passes through many countries, many continents. It is in the middle of the globe or the earth. The India, specific India, the India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, it is part of India. It is a group of islands situated in the south or the southern region of India. Next, deserts and forest. Deserts, like the Thar Desert. Thar Desert is in Rajasthan. Parts of the world, the Middle East. When we are referring to some part of the world, like the European country, the American area, the Middle East, the Western countries, the Eastern countries, etc. Moving ahead. Now, here is 5 sentences are there, and there are some blanks. You have to fill them with articles such as a, an, or the. You have to place the article or select the article which is suitable for the noun. I hope you understood the chapter and you will be able to do this exercise. Moving ahead. This was the first session of online class. Hope you learn something new every day. We hope for your well-being. Stay home, stay safe, be well.